The MetalPack pod is brought to you by the Metal Packager, the #1 digital resource for the global metal packaging market, and PPG Packaging Coatings, a global leader in innovative, safe and reliable coatings. Today, Damien Pollock from Koenig Bauer Metal Print discusses their plans for Metpack 2026, highlighting the world premiere of the MetalCoat 484 coating machine aimed at high automation in metal sheet coating.
So one of our highlights this year for the show is the world premiere of our MetalCoat 484 coating machine. So this is the first time we will show it to the public audience. And the MetalCoat 484 is, let's say, our answer to high automation in coating, metal sheet coating. So one of the features that we're having here is our closed loop system, which from the MetalCoat 483. And also as a first, this MetalCoat 484 is capable of automatic wash-ups for the coating machine. So this is something which is new. It's never been done before. So I'm very happy to have this on display and to show this to your audience and to see what they're thinking and if they like it.
We interrupt this episode for a brief segment from our sponsors, PPG.
Packaging coatings from PPG draw on our company's 140-year history of innovation. We never stop improving our solutions to meet the evolving needs of can makers and the marketplace. That spirit of innovation results in technology like the cradle-to-cradle platinum-rated PPG Unveiled Pro. PPG Unveiled Pro is the latest enhancement to the world's #1 non-BPA beverage can coating. It still doesn't use any bisphenol ingredients, but experienced can makers report that it now sprays like an epoxy. Follow PPG Packaging Coatings on LinkedIn or visit packagingcoatings.com to learn more about why PPG is the coatings partner for can making excellence.
We will have also our whole digital printing product portfolio on display. We'll have various samples from our two machines, MetJET 1 and MetJET PROB. So there's a lot of stuff to talk about. We have a lot of improvements, new features for these two machines. So a lot of stuff to tell about digital printing and how to utilize it the proper way. Our sales team is especially trained to talk about emission regulation and cyber resilience act topics because this was something which really got us busy the last months and the last years and will do the next year. So we will have all of our machines ready to fulfill the emission regulations 2027 and the Cyber Resilience Act from the European Union starting this year. So this is something where we're very happy to have a little bit of a head start. So we're not running into troubles with machine deliveries. So this is something where we can talk a lot about, and all of our machines are fulfilling these regulations starting 2026. This year, actually, which is quite funny, is the 150 years anniversary of Mylander portfolio. So we will have a retro Mylander booth party during the show where we have some small surprises, some old brochures and stuff which we dug out. So yeah, it'll be fun. So we're looking forward to that. If you want to have a pre-defined meeting with our staff, just get in contact with your responsible sales guy. If you do not have a primary contact, then I can head to our homepage to get an appointment scheduled.